Hi friends, today we are talking about best robot vacuum under $300. If you want to vacuum your home daily and do not have much time, feel burden, you can clean and vacuum your home daily with the best robot vacuum under $300. You can schedule your cleaning whether you are at home or not. With robot vacuum, clean your room and you will get notification after completion. You can buy these best vacuum cleaner under $300. First, these robot vacuum are easy to use and clean different surfaces like hard floor, carpets, and tiles. Once you start your robot vacuum cleaner, it starts cleaning every place and every surface with accuracy. The number 5 is Enther, the best budget robot vacuum cleaner. Special feature of this robot vacuum is surface recommendation is carpet and hard floor control method, remote control, 5.7 pound weight, 1300 Pascal suction power, first available in October 2021, 18-month warranty and 4.3 rating. Enther's Heat 200 is the low 2.7-inch height for underlying cleaning and low weight 5 pounds. Large 500 ml spell box hold more dust and debris and easy to handle, easily clean multiple surfaces, carpets in hard floor. C200 has 6 different cleaning methods: auto, max, edge, random area cleaning and deep cleaning. Switch between any of these modes. You clean your cleaning schedule, cleaning available through remote control. Clean your room while sleeping, working, or at any time. Clean room with double nylon and rubber brushes to pick up dirt and pet hairs. With 2600 mAh battery run up 120 minutes, best for large home or multiple rooms in single charge. C200 has an advanced infrared sensor to avoid collision with furniture or with other obstacles, and also has anti-fall sensor to avoid falling robot from stairs or from edges. The number 4 is Shark AV752 Jeep Robot Vacuum. Special feature or multi-surface recommendation. You can control with app or voice. 6 pound weight, 1 year warranty, 4.3 rating. Shark 752 is a powerful robot vacuum cleaner that clean every kind of surface and every kind of debris, dust from carpet or from hard floors with accuracy. With dry brushes system, clean your home rapidly. Shark sense tear edges and furniture to avoid collision and falling. Clean your room with a single charge up to 2 hours of battery timing. You can schedule and start or stop cleaning with your mobile app or with voice assistant. It is your choice. Also a good option for pet lovers. It pick up short hairs to long hairs and debris, all dust from your room. Shark 752 is a budget and easy to use robot vacuum cleaner. If you have a pet and multiple surface carpet and hard floor, it is best option. The next is ilife A45 Pro affordable robot vacuum. Special features are surface recommendation is carpet remote control, 4.85 pound weight, 1 year warranty and 4.4 rating on Amazon. ilife slim design, clean underbed and other furniture easily with rubber wheels. Transfer between hard floor to carpet. Multiple cleaning modes are available for this model. Auto mode, max mode with 1500 Pascal suction power, edge mode and sport mode with 2000 suction power to eliminate dust, debris and dust particle. Automatic cleaning, you just schedule cleaning daily or weekly. A45 itself and intelligent enough, having different sensor to avoid stair falling or cleaning with other obstacle. Electro-wall is device that prevent robot to go on kids playing field or restriction area. You will get robot vacuum, 2 batteries, remote control, charging dock, power adapter, cleaning tool, 1 extra filter and 4 side brushes with this robot vacuum. The next is Shark AV970 IQ Best Robot Vacuum. Special feature or carpet and hall floor or surface recommendation. Voice assistant, 6.2 pound weight, 1 year warranty and 4.4 rating on Amazon. Shark AV970 is powerful robot vacuum that clean room row by row and room by room the whole of your room. Deep suction power pick large debris, small debris, dust particle and pet hair from carpet or hard floor. It has a self-cleaning brush roll designed for home with pet. Shark robot pick large hair, pet hair. Shark AV970 clean room and when low in charging automatically go to dock and after charging start cleaning where it stop. Schedule your home cleaning from your mobile and receive a notification after completion. Control your Shark 970 IQ robot with voice assistant Google or Amazon Alexa. The number one is if you buy Anker Robot G30 budget robot vacuum, special feature or carpet and hard floor or surface recommendation, voice assistant 5.29 pounds weight, 2000 Pascal, suction power 4.4 rating. IFU Robot Vacuum G30 is ultra slim, 2.85 inches, easily slip under home furniture to clean the room completely. 9 different sensors avoid collision with other obstacle. This robot vacuum need no human help for cleaning. Automatically return to charging space when needed and return cleaning when where it stop. With smart dynamic 2.0 features, clean multiple surfaces, hard floor and carpet with 2000 suction power and remove dust with efficiency. It is also a good option for a pet owner because it removes pet hair and debris easily. Control your home cleaning with the mobile app and receive notification after completion. Easy to use and maintain. Falling sensor avoid G30 robot vacuum from stairs. Provide you powerful cleaning without disturbing you. Control with voice assistant Google or Amazon Alexa. You will get robot vacuum charging base, AC power adapter, two side brushes, body filter, cleaning tools, cables and a warranty card. That's all about the best robot vacuum under $300. If you want to buy any of these, please check link in description. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel.